Alright, we're here at DeSauce Coffee Shop, getting everything set up for today's BMAX fun race.
Welcome to the Race Run series. In this segment, we'll be pushing our featured build to the limit, testing the speed, time, and stability. I'll do my best to capture all the action, so sit back, relax, and let's hit the track.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're running a fun race in the BMAX category. Here's the track layout for today's race. Before we get started, let me show you the builds I'll be using. I'll be running these Z chassis setups. First up is the Neo VQS from the advanced pack. It comes with carbon gears, a hollow propeller shaft, and a 3.7 gear ratio. I've upgraded the rollers to aluminum and swapped the FRP plates for high-grade carbon. Next is the race spear build, which is almost identical to the first one. It's equipped with a hollow propeller shaft and a 4.1 gear ratio. The main difference is the front setup. I changed it to a wide FRP front plate. Let's test these builds and see if they can match the CFM setups. Which chassis do you like using in the BMAX category? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more Mini for WD content. It really helps the channel grow. Each racer is running 2 cars, and the format is like a 1v1 semi-final setup. It's all just for fun, so sit back and enjoy the race.
Go!
Unfortunately, my Neo VQS got wrecked and the rear chassis broke. As for the race spear, I switched it to a 3.5 gear ratio. Big thanks to our friend Haring Langis for lending me his CFM setup for the next round.
Go!
That's it for today's race run video. If you enjoyed this mini for WD series, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Special thanks to The Source Coffee Shop for providing a great place to chill and enjoy mini for WD Hangouts. Also, big thanks to our friend Haring Langis for the motor oil links are in the description. See you in the next video.